Blockchain is a peer-to-peer, distributed ledger that is cryptographically secure, append-only, immutable, extremely hard to change, and updatable only via consensus or agreement among peers. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of computer systems on the blockchain. Each block in the chain contains a number of transactions, and every time a new transaction occurs on the blockchain, a record of that transaction is added to every participant's ledger. Why blockchain? It is another question that must be addressed first before going into the details of the technology. To say technology is revolutionary, obviously, it must have a lot of advantage over existing technologies. Here are some advantages of blockchain over existing systems of different domains. Blockchain is decentralized, distributed, secure and faster, transparent and immutable. An industry where blockchain is used. Banking and payments. All the banking and payment systems are now moving towards blockchain. Bitcoin-like cryptocurrencies can control the payment systems without any geopolitical restrictions. Abra is an example of Bitcoin-based remittance. Cybersecurity. In blockchain, data is verified and secured using cryptography. This will restrict all unauthorized changes and hacks in the system. It removes the middlemen from the system so no one can make any unauthorized changes. Supply chain. The blockchain can revolutionize the supply chain by providing better transparency, accountability and feedback mechanism along the supply chain. Any product can be tracked completely using the blockchain supply chain management. Each and every movement, as well as the condition of a product, can be recorded in the blockchain with IoT sensors. Block Verify and Provenance is a blockchain-based supply chain management system. Networking and IoT. The blockchain technology can be applied in networking and IoT to create a decentralized network of IoT devices. This eliminates the need for a central location to handle the IoT devices. In the next video, the following topics will be covered. Elements of blockchain. How blockchain works. Tiers of blockchain technology. Benefits and limitation of blockchain. If you are looking for instructor-led training, please visit the link below to know more.